Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Bright copper kettles and
toes and biscuits. Monkey round, skippy round. Hello everybody. Today we are going to...
Where are we going?
I forgot.
Austria?
Austria,
Salzburg, Austria.
Yeah, we're going to Austria for 10 days.
Whoa, and this is all we're bringing right here. We're going to backpack.
No, I'm just kidding. We're staying here for 2 days.
No, we're going longer than that.
3.
Nope, 5 days.
Oh.
5 days.
No, 2. 1 day. 1 day.
Yeah, it'd be fun, right?
Can we please take a plane?
Nope, we're going to take a train. We are taking a train. It's going to be so much fun.
Can we drive there? I want to drive.
You want to drive? We're going to take a train.
Can trains go much faster?
Yeah, trains go fast. We're going on a fast train. It's going to be super cool.
How much boosters?
I don't know.
10,000?
Maybe. So we are going to walk. We're on our way to the train station. But we have to walk to the train station, so we have to take a bus and then two S-Bahns and another bus to get to the central station. We're backpacking to Salzburg, so this is going to be fun. Alright, so we are going on our European adventure. And we're walking to the bus stop. Yay, this is so much fun. And these streets are so tiny. And this is our little village. We're not going to make the bus in time to get to the train. So we're waiting for Dad. He's going to get the car. We're not going to make it in time to the train if we take the bus now. So we left a little later than we should have. So we're waiting for Dad. Whoa! All right, let's see. Whoa! Super, super roly-poly car!
Hey, make a way. You bad videotaper.
You're bad.
I know it.
Wow, playing cars!
I won it.
Woo!
Alright, I won.
All right.
I won last time. Call me.
Whoa!
I win.
Whoa! Whoa! All right, let's go. Come on over here. Let's go. Let's go. Dad's here. Come on, it takes a half hour to get to the train station. There's no more space here. We'll figure it out. To the train station. We pushed in the elevator. Oh, Amy, we pushed in the elevator. Oh, you're cute. What are you doing down there? our train. This reminds me of the train station in Italy.
Get some meat?
Want to find out where our train is first?
Oh, yeah, movie.
We've never seen the movie. Yeah, let's get something to eat.
Wow.
115. 115.
115. It's this way. Wow, look at these shops. Such yummy, yummy goodness. Ooh, a little pretzel house. Look at those pretzels. Pretzelries.
Pollen.
It smells so good, right?
What's the pollen? What's the pollen?
No, they are real. Smell.
Yeah, they are real. Look.
Yep,
Don't
they
touch.
Are real. Look. They're fake now.
Yeah, they're actually fake.
Yeah, they're actually fake.
They're really pretty.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
He's cute, pigeon. He wants he wants your Burger King.
What kind of ticket did we get? Like a first class? A business class?
Okay.
We got first class? How long is the train ride?
6 hours.
6 hours?
Hello, pigeon. The train is here?
Besides his skin color, so I thought that's almost I almost said hi, Emma.
You wish Emma was here. He's not coming with us.
I want to come in. Can I pet him?
No, but we need to wash your face.
Why can't we pet him?
Because he's dirty. Look at your hands. Do not put your hands in your face until we wash them. I know, you got all dirty. That's the train we're taking.
It's not.
It has 2 stops before we get to where we're going.
Alright, move it.
Alright, so our train is here. There's our train.
Give it.
Getting excited. Alright, we gotta get to 14. That's 11. Where's it?
Keep going.
Come on, it's gonna leave.
Oh, we got 50 something to say. Keep on.
Go, 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 come on. What card is that? We might just have to get in the next one.
Der bis 15 Uhr nächste Anschlüsse. Zum RE nach Josef
Yeah, that's right on that board. This is 12.
This is 12.
Oh, we get the red color.
This is us. Yep, this is us, car 14.
We get the front. I guarantee you this train's not gonna fill up all the way.
We're in the front of the train. Look at that. First car. Go ahead, Gabe. Careful. Close, Iris.
A few more.
Oh, you got my bag?
Yeah. 51, 52, something like that. Here, honey. It says 51, 52. Stay here.
Uh-oh. We're not sure what's going on here because there are people sitting in our seat and there's nobody around to help. And Dad just left the train. I hope the train doesn't leave him. That will be a big trouble. That would not be good.
I just left.
I had to find somebody to help us.
Uh-oh. Yeah, our thing is reserved on 14.
Okay.
It says, yeah. See, wagon 14, 5152.
Okay, we're moving.
Here, go, why don't you sit here by the window?
Oh, come on.
I was the one that I saw her there, like,
Okay, we'll take turns. We have 6 hours. Take turns.
It doesn't matter. You should get up for him. You sit here.
Someone's gonna complain to her.
Sit next to him.
I don't want anyone to take any spot.
Can you close the door? Close the thing.
Close the door.
Wait, what's that? Look, there's a knob up there. What's it do?
What?
Like on top of the
It's a
door.
light and no, something else.
It says.
There you go. Are you happy now?
We turn the light off. Oh, we get a mirror.
Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen an Bord unseres
Don't swallow it. Just put it in.
Eurocities zur Fahrt nach Klagenfurt.
Alright, show me a dab.
I'm
So slow down.
I'm sad.
So now we are on the train still, going to Salzburg.
You're not supposed to say that.
Doesn't matter, they don't care.
Yes, they will. They'll find you, and then they'll kill
It's
you
a
and wear your
vacation.
skin for breakfast.
You're gonna wear my skin for breakfast if I tell them that I'm going to Salzburg? Please do that again.
Fields are alive with sound of music.
My heart likes to sing.
Roses and whiskers on.
Jump on like a jump.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Bright copper petals and whiskers. When the dog bites, when the bees sting, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
I feel good.
Warm woolen mittens.
I am dead inside.
Wake me up.
Wait,
Wake
inside.
me up before you go. Leave me hanging on the light, yo-yo.
You're a yo-yo.
Ooh, roast.
Wait, are we here?
Wait, I'm here.
Move over. Can you move over?
Are we here, Mom?
Oh, let's see. Good job. That was a
something
quick
broke.
stow and go there, mister.
Where are
I
we?
did the
No, we are not here yet. We're about 45 minutes away. How are you?
Open the windows. I farted.
Yeah, these windows don't open though.
Dad. I'm leaving.
Oh, are you gonna jump off the train?
Yeah, dude, go.
Go sit.
Gaby, what do you think? Yeah. Look at the mountains. Oh, the snow-covered mountains, the Alps.
Mommy, one day should we go up here?
And go skiing maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in the wintertime we'll do that. Right now it's spring. It's springtime, so I don't think there's skiing right now. Maybe high up in the
You can
mountains.
ski during the spring. Yes, you can.
Maybe.
Some places have snow during
I see the snow right there. See the snow?
Yeah. Hey, mommy. The drive to America from Germany takes a whole day.
Dude, you have to take an airplane. There's an ocean between you.
Unless they made an ocean.
Yeah, did you know that?
You know we can use boats.
Yeah, we could use boats too.
Yeah, but that'd be like a 32-day
So this is what we do on a train on our way to Austria.
Yeah, Austria's like a 2-hour drive.
A 4-hour drive and a 5-hour train ride. Apparently.
I love that we didn't
4-hour
even
drive and 5-hour train
I'm
ride.
glad that we didn't even move seats.
Because trains always slow down.
Yeah, that's like give us like a free ticket,
True.
but we didn't have a refund.
And cars don't.
Right.
Dad, let's do our secret handshake.
What's a secret handshake?
Do,
You got it from Smart.
do.
It's only been like 2 hours. Okay, 4. You're a bad banana, Mr. Grinch. You were up one point. I said you're a bad banana.
You're a bad banana.
When did you say you're a bad banana?
You remember?
The kid with the snowman?
No, the song. It was your song.
mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Hearts are dead tomato.
You remember? Wait, you remember this one?
Lisa.
You're a bad banana, Mr. Grinch.
With a greasy black peel. On the portable charger, we have everything.
Just like
I like a bee. I like a chocolate. What the fuck? We're in Austria.
We're at Salzburg Austria.
Yeah, Salzburg. You got it, careful. Yeah, a little bit colder. Sit here, wait for Dad.
Just because. That trace.
Maybe you could see he was on.
Secret handshake, Dad.
Did you hear Gaby?
Okay.
hey.
What are you thinking about?
I'm just looking at the tree.
We're in Austria?
How much change are you?
Look at the train, that's a cool one. We're in Salzburg.
There's a 4 trains.
Yay!
Hey, Mommy, I see 2 trains on the same track.
No. No, that's a different track. Oh yeah, he's up there further. Did you hear what Gaby said? He says, my mom said I had to pack 5 pairs of underwear. So we're here 5 days. He's cute.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I know.
Where's your bag?
You gotta keep track of it. I gotta buy a ticket to Warfare.
Why does this train station look so much better?
It's cleaner.
Yeah.
Smells good, that's for sure, right?